First question from lesson 7. 25% more butter this month than last month. Used 240 kilograms last month. So is this month going to be more or less? Should be more. Okay, so if you take 240 times 25% times 0.25, anybody have that answer? Molly? You get 60. I thought you said it had to be more. Then you add it, yes. That's how much it increased. You take 60 plus 240 for a total of 300 ounces. Yes.
I didn't really do the work because I just took 240 divided by 300.
That's fine. That's the same as times 0.25. Question 2, Rylan.
Last week, the price of oranges at farmers market was $1.75 per pound. This week, the price decreased by 20%. What is the price of oranges this week?
All right, so we talked about when do you have to divide. You have to divide if you don't know the original. You know the original here. You know what it was at the beginning. It was $1.75. Take that times 0.2. Did anybody do that? Kellen, what do you got?
Oh,
35 cents. So that is how much the oranges went down. So I have to subtract that. And it looks like you should have $1.40. Not $14. $1.40? $1.75 minus 35 cents. Question number 3. I thought this was the trickiest one on there today. Noah thinks the answers to these two questions will be the same. Do you agree with him? Explain your answer. Some of you just decided to circle one like it was multiple choice. If you read the directions, that's clearly not the case. So let's look at the first one. 550 bison last year. How many are heard this year? 10% increase, right? So if I take 550 times 10%, I'm going to get 55. 550 plus 65, or 55, is a total of 605. That's the answer to the first one. Second one. Another herd has a 10% decrease. There are 550 in a herd this year. Not last year, this year. So do you know what you had last year? No. So here's one where you have to divide. If I take 10% away, what percent of the original do I have? 90. So I have to divide by 0.9. So let's see. 9 into 55. 6. 10. 10. All right, so 605 bison, about 611. Are they the same answer? No. They are not the same. And the only way you would be able to do that is if you showed the work and figured it out. Question number 4. Walk 12 miles and then a quarter of that distance. We've had this problem quite a few times the first 7 lessons here. How far did she walk? Select all that apply. Remember the word all. It's probably going to mean we have more than one. Kinley.
Okay.
Give me one. E?
Yeah.
12 plus a quarter would not work because it's 12 plus a quarter of 12.
Oh.
So E's out. Brody. A is one answer. 12 plus a quarter of 12. Sophia. C also works. Rylan. B. A, B, C.
I got A and C.
A, B, C are the 3 that would all give you the same answer. Another thing you could do is you could figure out the answer and see which ones equal that. Question number 5. Circumference is 600. What's a good approximation for the circle's area? So it says approximation. We've always divided by pi, right? So instead of using pi, what's a good number we can use that'll come out pretty nice for us? 3. What's 600 divided by 3? That means my diameter is 200, about. Which means my radius is 100. So to help me with my answer, radius squared, 100 times 100, times 3. So how many zeros do I have here? So a 3 with 4 zeros behind it. 30,000. If you said A, you forgot to square it. I'm not sure how you would have got B or D. Question 6. What does the 3 represent? Jada, what's the 3 represent?
I said the distance.
Not the distance. Not the time. How about if I told you this example? Distance equals rate times time. That means this is my speed on the interstate. Miles per hour. How about the snail? Obviously, it's not miles per hour.
3 times the amount is
Yeah, 3 inches per minute. It's my rate. It's my speed. Remember, distance equals rate times time. So if I go 3 inches per minute, Lauren, part B, how long would it give me to get 9 inches from the rock? Going 3 inches a minute. Well, how far would I make it after 1 minute? 2 minutes? Oh, you were right. 3. How about 2 minutes? 3 inches per minute for 2 minutes. Nope.
3 minutes.
3. 3 times 3
It's 3 minutes of
is 9. That question was saying 3 times what is 9? That's what it was asking you. Yeah, 3. C, how far will the snail be after 9 minutes? So you're going 3 inches a minute for 9 minutes. 27 inches. 3 times 9.